What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Break Canal, getting ready to try to fill this Cup Break 14-15. This one has 4 spots up for grabs. Top 3 names are winners. Top name is a big one with 2, which is a $240 value, and the second and third get 1 spot each at $120 value. So good luck. We're live. Here we go. Top 3 after 4. 303 in Newfoundland. Clay to Brennan. Good luck, folks. 1, 2, 3. Is a timestamp. Timestamp on 3. Is that 303? 303. Last and final. Good luck. We got Shane coming out on top with 2 spots, and Jake and Brennan with a spot each. So congrats, guys. Let me get your 4th and final timestamp on that one. 4th and final timestamp there. Says 303. And 303 it is. So congratulations again, Shane. 2, Jake, you're getting 1, and Brandon is getting 1. I'll tag you guys to make your picks. I'm going to have to post another 2 minis, maybe 1 or 2 minis to get this filled and done. So we'll see you. Thanks for filling it, and good luck with the break.